Welcome to Curveseries Academy. I am Amy and I will be your teacher today. Here, you will find a series of training videos that will strengthen your abilities to navigate the Curveseries desktop software and its features. In this video, you will be introduced to how you can easily download historical and forward curves data in Excel using Curveseries Excel add-in to analyze multiple data in one unified environment. Curveseries is created by traders for traders, and we understand the significance of being able to access data easily in one platform. Once you have ensured that you have logged into your Curveseries account under Settings, you can click on Download Series to download historical data or Download Curve to download forward curves data. Let's take a look at Download Series first. When you click on it, you will see that it is the same interface as it is on our desktop app with the datasets on the left. You can right-click on the right side to do a query. Fill up the form accordingly with the products you want, and the time period, etc. Once you're done, click on Save. Click on the Refresh Download button, and you will see that the data is swiftly downloaded into your Excel spreadsheet. If you wish to edit your list or dates, it is important to ensure that you have clicked on the series cell before hitting the Download Series button. Since you are downloading data, you can add as many products as you want and create a long list. Similarly, to download forward curve data, you can click on Download Curve, and either by using the search box or by looking through the folder, select the products you want. After you save it, click on Refresh Download, and the forward curve data based on T-1 will be downloaded into your spreadsheet. Similarly, if you wish to edit your list or dates, make sure to click on the curve cell before hitting the Download Curve button. If you wish to download data based on a different curve date, you can do so by copying and pasting the cells at the top, clicking on the curve cell, and then Download Curve. Here, you can simply input a minus with the number of days you wish to backdate. After you click Save, click on Refresh Download, and you will get the data in your spreadsheet in no time. You can repeat the steps and select this icon next to Curve Date to choose the exact curve date you want to. Also, do take note that for Refresh Download, you can see a drop-down with options, Refresh Sheet and Refresh Selection. For Refresh Selection, it would only download data for the selected cells. Refresh Sheet would mean to download data for the active sheet only, and other sheets in Excel will not be updated. So if you wish to update or download data for the whole workbook, you should select Refresh Downloads. On behalf of all the staff at Curveseries, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your analytics needs. We will do our utmost to help you in any scenario or complex analytics you are about to explore. Did you know that Curveseries can have the live OTC chart and list supplementary feature in our desktop app? If not, check out more of our tutorials here at the Curveseries Academy. We wish you all the best of luck in your future trading using Curveseries.